Model, 2016 Vauxhall Vivaro 2901.6 CDTIBT, 120, S Eco L1H1 needs head gasket. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 120779. MOT, 3 April 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PS BITURBO S, SE5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, tries to fire, head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing whilst cranking. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, 2 keys, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £4,750 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119